Don't forget to like and subscribe.
It's countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people faces. No matter how them a go on like, them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Good evening, my wonderful people. Right now, this is a potential news flash because I've heard from good source that Bordelais, Arkham Bordelais prison, a potential prison break. I heard that an inmate has escaped from Bordelais prison, Arkham Bordelais in St. Lucia. So I will keep everybody updated on this. Just know that Countryman is the first to break this news. So like I said, this is not fully verified, but right now I can tell you that the entire prison is under lockdown, and that is very weird. So the cops or the guard them is out there searching for an inmate. So from far as I know, it's a potential prison break. And as I said, I'll keep you guys and gals, because this is not a chauvinistic channel. You guys and gals, I'll keep you all updated. But right now, the prison, it's under lockdown. Potential inmate escape from Arkham Bordelais prison in St. Lucia. I'm out.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.